Well, welcome back to the Steve Rob Show. Today, fixing lawnmowers. Yeah, I know. Fixing lawnmowers. Guys, I have two lawnmowers, two different brands, the exact same motor. And I had a crazy time trying to figure this out. I'm going to show you what I got to. And let's have a little bit of fun. Okay, so let's get to it right now. Okay, as you can see, I got this one here called Yard Machine, and I got the other one down there called MTD. Both exactly the same mowers. This one has a faulty coil, and it took me a while to figure it out. And I used two pieces of test equipment. This one right here, which is the way to go, and this one here I had for automotive use. And guys, this here led me astray big time. And I want to show you on this one here, just for your own satisfaction and mine, how this one here shows that the coil is good and giving a spark, and this one here shows that there is no spark. And I'll take this one off the Yard Machine and put that one on there. That is the one that's running fine and operating, and I'll show you the difference. I did order a coil, and the coil's not in yet, but I have this other one here on the bench, and this is off an old machine, and it's off of a Briggs, actually, a 6.5 horse Briggs. I don't even know if this will fit, but I'm going to take a look at it and see if it will. And when the other coil comes in, or if this one doesn't work, well, we'll get to that too. But in the meantime, I'd like to demonstrate for you how this works, and I'll shut the lights off in the shop here, and I'll give you a view of exactly how this led me astray. And guys, this is the way to go with this one here, because this style here, man, I was lost. And I'm not a lawnmower technician by any means, but it's enough to throw you for a good loop. You know, and I changed spark plugs. I tried all kinds of stuff until I figured out, hey, you got the wrong test equipment somehow. If any of you guys know why this works and this doesn't, well, I know why this doesn't work, because the coil's bad. But this one here, you'll see, works. So let's get to it right now. Okay, guys, I'm going to turn the lights off here and make it look a little bit more obvious when I pull the starter cord. So here we go here, and you guys take a look at this. Now you see that lighting up nice? There you go. Now doesn't that seem strange? You know, you think, okay, so that coil's sparking good. Let's move on to the other one and let's see how that one works. Okay guys, I got that one set. I'll make sure you're in the shot there. Yeah, I got that one set at, boy, let me see, at 10 thou. And that should put a spark across there. So let's take a look and see. Guys, I'm not getting nothing out of that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the other mower up on there, and let's take a look at this again. Okay, so I got the other mower up here, and I'm going to do the same thing over again. I'll try the first one with the automotive tester, and then I'll move on to the second one. You guys take a look. So I'll turn the lights off, and I'll pull the cord. Let's get to her. Okay, let's go. There we go, guys. She's lighting up pretty good. Now let's move on to the other one. And, okay, now where's the other one? Okay, guys, I gotta find the other one. Okay, I got it. It was stuck on the other machine still. Okay, plug her in here. Plug her in. And I still got her set at the same, which is about 10. I'll turn the lights off and we'll see. Now, do you guys see any spark there? Because I couldn't tell. So I could see, obviously, that, you know, when I looked at the footage, that it was sparking. And actually, I could hear it. You know, I was pretty sure. But isn't that strange how the first tester shows that it's good, the second one shows, you know, that it's bad on the first mower that had the bad coil. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can change the coil up, see if I can get this machine working, and we'll see if we can get this done. This is the deal. This is the one that came off it, and this one here is the one from the Briggs. Guys, they're not a match at all. Not a match at all. So I'm going to have to wait until this one comes in from the Wing Wang factory. I ordered it from eBay. Has to be 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. And of course it's not here by now. And this one here I'll just put in my parts bin. And when this coil gets in, we'll put it in and we'll see the difference. Until then, well, it's only going to be a seconds for you, but until then, this is going to be a wrap. Okay, so we're back. Guys, it's been a month and a half. A month and a half. This just showed up today, and she's pretty beat up. And I thought I'd open it up for you guys right here. And this is the first time I've seen all kinds of stickers and all kinds of stuff on here. I don't know. But we're going to see if this is the right coil. I'm going to open her up. And, well, I still don't know what this is yet. And they threw me in a bag for free. There you go. Okay, so this is the coil here. And it came from the Wing Wang factory. And right away, can you see that? Check this out right here. Okay, guys. We're going to see if this fits. Damn Wing Wang. Come on. Check that. There's like a whole hunk missing off the side there. Okay. We're going to throw this baby on here. We're going to see if this starts. Let me take the bonnet off of this. And we'll get to it. Hold on. Okay, so it looks like a couple of 7mm screws. This is very easy to put on. And let's see if this even hooks up. So I've got my little wire here I'll stick on first. Okay. And what I like to do, like everybody else does, just bring it around to the magnet and stick it on the with the business card. Then we'll just tighten her up. And so far it looks like it's fit. I mean, the damage to the coil on the outside is probably just you know, regular Wing Wang stuff, but it may still work. I don't know. So what I'm going to do now is I'm not going to bore you with showing you all the rest of it, how it goes on. I'm going to put it all back together. Let's see if this baby's going to start. Well, guys, I almost forgot. In the first part of the vid, I showed this tester on here, how this one here actually works, and the other one is a piece of crap. So let's see if this actually throws a spark here before we actually go further and see if it actually runs. So I'll turn the lights off, and we'll see if she throws any sparks. Is this one a good coil? Well, I can see that from here, guys. Okay, I'm going for it. Let's put her down. Let's see if she'll start up. Okay, let's just give her a little bit of a prime here. It's been a while, so maybe I'll give it a lot of prime. And I'm confident this thing's going to go. Okay, she's going. Okay, guys, she went, but there's a problem. My kill switch here wasn't shutting it off. So I'm going to have to investigate that and see, but that's no big problem. I can work with that. I had to pull the coil wire off the front just to stop it. But you know, that's not bad. And this thing cost me 12 bucks, which is pretty reasonable. So what I'm thinking is, it's a success. Not too bad at all. I'll have to figure out why that is not shutting it off. But there we go. So I hope you like this. And if you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe. And come back again, guys. I got a big chuckle out of this coil. Okay, we'll see you again. Come back again. Let's have some more fun. Bye, guys.